Nike Air Max 90 moving companies editions. I think moving company editions. Yeah, I copped them off Goat. It actually came pretty quick. Usually Goat likes to be playing around, but it actually came pretty fast, so I'm happy about that.
Loses control and crashes into the home.
Alright, so we got the shoes. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. The overhead cam. Bang! Alright, so we got the shoes. We got the Goat verification card, but no sticker? Really? Are we getting... Is Goat getting washed up now? Maybe. Anyway. So here are the shoes. Pretty nice. I really like the stitch. The stitching on the side of it is actually pretty crazy. And they're pretty nice. The moving company logo on the side of it, the little snail. Front end, you get the snail. Side, pretty much the same thing. Your air bubble. They are a pretty nice shoe. Taking out the inserts. Garbage in the bottom of this shoe. Another moving company snail. Not too sure what the snail is all about, but hey, it's kind of fire, not gonna lie. I've yet to wear these outside yet because I want to make a video on them. So here's the other one, same thing. Yes, I did lace the shoes like this because not a fan of the goofy looking bunny ear type knot look that everybody wears their shoes with. I prefer to wear them like this. Preferably have this a little shorter on the sides, but we're working with it. All right, so going back to the shoes, they're actually pretty comfortable. So you can definitely tell, you know, the air bubble. It's giving it definitely a more cushy feeling inside the shoe. I don't have any complaints about it. Some shoes are really harsh until you break them in. Those are not. They're really comfy. I'm definitely gonna wear them a lot more out there. See how they hold up. But anyway, since this is the end of the video, and you guys subscribe, new videos coming out. Peace.